Well, it's been a great afternoon now spilling into our evening. Great to see you on this Tuesday where conditions don't get much better than this for the middle of July. Right now down toward Perrysburg, a couple fair weather clouds off in the distance. We have got no chance of rain this evening. We'll keep that chance of rain at 0% as we go through tonight with that northwest wind very comfortable. And with the clear skies through midnight, we'll start to drop back through the 70s. We'll end up in the low 60s as we get into tomorrow morning. Temperature-wise now, most areas lower 80s, some 70s. Beginning to show up north and west of Toledo, back up toward Adrian and over toward Bryan in the upper 70s. The mugginess, something that is absent from the forecast right now. Fairly comfortable weather expected Wednesday. Very low humidity expected Thursday and Friday. A little bit of a rise into the weekend, Saturday to Sunday. Some more humid conditions begin to work back in, but nothing unusual for the middle of July. So here we are with dry conditions right now, and I could show you our next chance of rain. Some showers brushing past the thumb of Michigan, but this is going to be the disturbance that's working now over toward Duluth, Minnesota into northern Wisconsin. It is going to bring us our isolated shower threat for tomorrow. It is going to be a very hit or miss chance of some rain showers. Now, to take a little bit of a break from what's going on in our atmosphere to look into the outer space today, some of the first images from the Webb Space Telescope have been released. And this is the Carina Nebula, about 1.5 million pixels put together in this picture to give this vivid detail of a nebula about 7,600 light years away from us here on Earth. Another stunning picture, the Southern Ring Nebula. Two distinct images of that same nebula put together in different imagery. And the vivid detail, again, showing this multiple light years away. Kind of begs the question, what exactly is a light year? Well, it's all based on how quickly the speed of light travels. Moves at an astounding 186,000 miles a second. That actually goes from about the moon to Earth in just about a second and a half, how quickly that goes. So over the course of a year, a light year travels approximately 6 trillion miles. These images are coming thousands of light years away from our galaxy. It is truly incredible what we're seeing with that Webb Space Telescope. All right, back here on Earth, let's ground our feet back on ground. Our hour-by-hour forecast is going to show clear skies tonight. We've got no issues weather-wise. It's going to be a smooth sail into tomorrow morning. A pleasant feel, low to mid-60s, partly sunny skies. A brief chance of an isolated shower, rumble of thunder. I'm going to pin this in the Toledo metro area closer to mid to late morning, and it is just a brief passing rain shower. Possibly a rumble of thunder and a hit or miss chance into the afternoon, but mainly dry weather will be expected the majority of your Wednesday, and that chance fades away right around this time tomorrow as we lose that daytime heating. So tonight, mostly clear. It's going to be dry and comfortable. Light west wind drops us back to 62 for the overnight low. Wednesday, 84 degrees, partly sunny skies, an isolated chance of a thunder shower, and then back to dry, pleasant, and less humid conditions Thursday and Friday. Two ideal days, lower 80s. And overnight lows, upper 50s to near 60 degrees. We start to see the heat increase a bit into Saturday, upper 80s to near 90 degrees. And the better chance of showers and storms into the weekend will fall on Sunday. That's going to be a likely chance of showers and storms. Could bring some much-needed rainfall back into the area on Sunday. But at this point, you may want to consider modifying some weekend plans. The better of the 2 weekend days does appear to be Saturday. And a few other isolated storms Tuesday of next week as highs work back close to 90 degrees for what could be at least a couple days next week.
Well, thanks for the astronomy lesson there, Chris.
You know, we try to wear all different types of hats. When we see this, Dan, the best kind of analogy I could put out there, this telescope is like taking Hubble telescope, which was kind of a prior version, comparing that to black and white TV back in the 1950s, and then flipping a switch and getting a 4K HD flat screen TV just like that in a matter of just turning a switch on. Incredible images from distant galaxies.
Carina Nebula. Now, didn't you say that was your first girlfriend in elementary school?
Boy, I've long forgot about her.
Chris, thanks.